Back at it again. Working on this C-10. See if we get this thing started. It wouldn't start at first, the motor would turn. Then it just wouldn't crank all the way over. Got a new crank sensor, thing cranked over, but it took a minute. Just kept doing that. So ran my scan tube, got a couple different codes. I replaced the idle air sensor and that other sensor, the throttle sensor, whatever, map sensor. I think it's a throttle sensor, or those two sensors, because I bought them off eBay and I guess they was giving me a short. So I recommend get you the genuine parts, eBay. Y'all gotta work on y'all parts. Y'all say they OEM, but that shit throwing high voltage. Check some of y'all parts, and it said genuine OEM. So I had to order through Car Parts, and it works a lot better. Car Parts, thank you. But anyway, we're gonna see if this thing crank over. Open the garage. Nigga been down, nigga doing as much as he can. Let me see. This thing crank up. Kick. First try, let's see. Last time it was kicking. They're just saying my cam sensor, I gotta. That motherfucker kick. So we gotta get a cam sensor. Put that motherfucker in there. And then we gonna go from there. It did fire up for me. Good. Waiting on my hoses. Then I gotta get a relay. A few little things, a reservoir, rewire everything. Little by little, as much as I can. And then arthritis start kicking and I can't do much. Foot start hurting. Waiting on parts, it's a delay. Then I'm out my gas tank. Once I get all that stuff buttoned up, I think I did got the rear seal done. Let me see if that motherfucker leaking. I don't think so, I think we good. Yeah, we put a new seal and gasket. Like I said, we're gonna be rocking. Let them spin.